Okay, the new DVD that I've just finished is a Quick Licks DVD, another one, and this time we're looking at Steve Vai and how to sort of like play in the style of Steve Vai using some of the ideas that he's used over the years. Again, with the Quick Licks series, it's kind of my take on how to go about playing Steve Vai sounding licks. The overall sound of the backing track and the performance on this DVD is E Lydian, which is B major played over an E chord basically, and it's pretty much a sound that Steve Vai and well, various others, mainly Satriani as well, have adopted over the years, and it's a very kind of, you know, distinct sort of very nice sounding sound. So yeah, most of the licks in this DVD are pretty much trying to get towards you know, that kind of Steve Vai sound. And if you know, any people out there have ever wondered how he kind of, you know, goes about maybe putting some of this stuff together or getting that kind of sound, then hopefully there'll be elements of this DVD which will show that. Okay, some of the techniques in this DVD would involve sweep picking, tapping. There's also some legato passages in it as well, one of which sort of towards the end of the performance that I did, where he kind of gets his right hand and grabs the end of the neck and then kind of does these long legato passages, which, you know, if any of the fans of Steve Vai have seen him live, which I'm sure they have, they'll have seen him, you know, do that quite a lot. Okay, well, I'd say sort of, you know, any tips for this DVD would be to, you know, any difficult things that you come across, just kind of, you know, don't avoid it, you know, stick at it, and it's going to make you a better player in the long run. And, you know, kind of, I don't know, it should kind of inspire you to think, right, okay, I'm going to get this lick if it kills me, you know, because that's sort of the attitude that's going to make you better in the long run. So, you know, with anything that you learn, whether it's on this DVD or something else that you picked up, you know, it's always good to kind of, you know, get inside it and kind of figure out how it works and the mechanics of it. And, you know, hopefully, you know, after you kind of keep playing all this sort of stuff, hopefully some of it will sink in and you will just kind of get better and better. It's always worth sticking with it and, you know, just learning the difficult parts and, you know, just to have fun with it as well. You know, if you're a Steve Vai fan and, you know, you want to get into that style of playing, then, you know, this DVD's for you. So.